Life gives you enough things to worry about, but your home doesn't have to be one of them. Meet Notion. Total home security from the inside out. Powered by a multifunctional smart home sensor, Notion system constantly monitors your home. From unwanted visitors to smoke alarms, freezing temperatures, expensive water leaks, even if you left the garage door open, Notion has you covered, giving you real-time notifications no matter where you are, so you can protect what you love and have peace of mind while doing it. Setup is easy and takes less than 15 minutes, and the uses of Notion sensors are endless. You can customize your system to fit your lifestyle. And if you're looking to expand the protection of your home with Notion Pro 24/7 professional monitoring, you can arm your sensors with the tap of a button. From break-ins to broken pipes, it's never been easier to protect what you want when you want. No professional installation, no contract, and you can cancel anytime. Notion Pro isn't just changing the way you protect your home, it's changing the way you manage emergency situations. Text and speak with live certified dispatchers. Add managers so everyone in your family can stay in the loop. Plus, insurance providers know the value of having smart home protection. That's why most providers offer discounts for having smart home tech and home security. Notion. Total home security. Let us help protect your home wherever you are. Get Notion today.